Mettez les phrases au style direct. Put the following sentences in the direct speech. Le nouveau professeur me demande comment je m'appelle. The new teacher asking me how I called myself or what is your name. What my name. Okay. So I have to write it in direct things. First value you can write as it is. And indirect speech, what verb is used there, the same tense has to used in the direct speech. Here the verb is m'appelle. So verb supply verb it is. So same verb we have to use here. Direct way you can think what is your name. How like this the teacher will call. So you can write comma t'appelles tu. Okay. So you must think what way the teachers can ask like this direct way you can think you will get the answer. Okay, J is changed for tui and m'appelle you have to see this way. For tui is the subject, you have to add yes on the end. It is a conjugation for supply verb. Okay, you can don't forget you have to write the question mark because what is your name, it is an interrogative form. Second one. Le marchand m'avait demandé ce que je voulais. The shopkeeper had asked me what I want. So, I want. What the shopkeeper will ask normally? What you want? Okay, the verb is in imperfect, so you can change this same verb. Okay. Indirect speech, it is imperfect and you can write when your reporting verb is in pluscup past tense. Direct speech, the verb is in imperfect. In the indirect speech, if the verb you must write, you have to write it into present tense. Okay, what is it, what you want? Okay, the shopkeeper had asking what you want. Okay, so what is indirect speech is given, what I want the shopkeeper is asking is given there. So you have to change and write what you want. So qu'est-ce que tu veux? Okay, imperfect verb is given, but you have to, when you are asking writing the answer, you have to change the verb in present tense. That also you remember. For voudrais, you have to change it into were present tense. Vouloir conjugations of VEUX. You want. Or you can write in the other way. Here the first part you can write inventions. That is verb and subject has to interchange. Okay, that is the inversions method. What you want? What do you want? Okay, that is the invention method. So verb you must remember everywhere you can write it in present tense. Or third method also you can follow. Okay. First method tui verb, second method interchange, third one is with respect. Vous voulez. Okay. When the subject is tui, vouloir conjugation of present tense is were. When the subject is vous, vouloir conjugation is voulu. VOULE is it. Okay. Without the expressions you can write also anything which is easy for you that you follow, but you must understand this four things. So here also first subject and verb as you can interchange in the third question. Okay, que voulez-vous, just interchange. So four different method you can write, but in exam you follow any one. Okay, third one. Pate ben m'a demandé. Demandé is the verb, where reporting verb is in passé composé. Verb, it is indirect, it is in imperfect. Direct speech, am perfect will change to the present tense. So first part you can write as it is. Parthiban asked me whether I was eating with Sridhar. So Parthiban will ask directly, are you eating with Sridhar? So like this you can write. Ask tu march avec Sridhar. Marche in the it is in the question it is in imperfect. When you are writing the answer you must write it in present tense. Okay. Other way you can write it here, that is marge tui without sk for intervention method, that is subject and verb you can interchange. Okay, no need to use sk. Marge tui with Sridhar, avec Sridhar. Okay, fourth one. So fourth one we will see now. So first part you can write for third question. Second part, question is in imperfect. When you are writing the answer, you have to write it in present tense. From the first sentence, I am saying this only. Fourth one, Vinod Devi Marti cal travaille à Mumbai. Vinod told me she was working in Mumbai. So, reporting verb dir is in passé composé, is in past. Verb is in indirect speech, that is travailler is in imperfect in the question. When you are writing the answer, you must write it in the present tense. So, what we know is told, she worked in Mumbai. Okay. The verb travailler should be in present tense. It's regular er verb. You can cut er and add e at the end because j is the subject. Okay, e. Vinod Devi is told me I working in Mumbai. Okay. Vinod that Vinodin told that she was working in Mumbai. When you are writing the answer, I was working in Mumbai. Okay. Last sentence. The secretary informs me or warns me that the boss is arrived at afternoon, midday. The reporting verb is in simple present tense and the verb in the question is in imperfect, and you must write it with this imperfect in present tense. Okay, we have to use in the same tense as in the answer what is given in the question. First part you can take and write as it is, and then second one, what she said, the boss will arrive at afternoon. Same things you can write, but ka no need to write, because if you remove the ka you get the sentence. Even the verb is you can the same tense, or you can use a present tense also. If you use present tense you can use it keska. Okay, keska lapron arrive à midi, like this you can write. Okay, fifth sentence you can write it using present tense. Thank you.